guess what? I'm about to wax my car, you guys. I just washed it. So I wanted to wax it because it still looks a little dingy. So watch, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Hold on. It's not as, you know, shiny as I would like. So I'm gonna wax it with this wax right here. Y'all let me know if this is a good wax and if you know one that's better. But I'm gonna use this wax, and let's see the before and let's see the after. It's the first time I've done this. So y'all listen, guys, my fellas, if y'all got some tips, let me know. This is the first time I've done this. You know what I'm saying? This is things you got to do when you're single, but I don't mind because, you know, I got this. Okay, this is the before. It's kind of dingy. So let's see. So I'm finished, you guys, and it's all right. I would like to have it a little bit more shinier, but I mean, it's not bad. If you have any suggestions of some wax that I can use to make this thing really pop, let me know in the comments.